आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question that was given to us is that is let z be a complex number and a be a real parameter such that z square plus a square equal to 0 is equation given to us, then which of the following is option is true. We have to tell that first of all equation is given, that is z square plus a square is equals to 0. Now we will find out the factor using this formula, that is if any equation is given like this, that is ax square plus bx plus c, then the formula to find the factors is equal, that is x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now using this formula we will find our factor. So our factor, that is z, is equals to the, that is minus b, which is minus of a, plus minus, that is under root, which is equals to under root b square, which is will become, that is a square minus 4 multiply by a value is 1 multiply by c value, that is a square, divided by, that is 2a. Now this value is equals to, that is z is equals to, this will become minus of a. So the value is, that is 2a, and the value of a is, that is 1. So we get that is only 2, not a, because the a coefficient here is 1. So this value is 1. So we can say that this will be equals to, similarly here this value is 2. So this will be equals to, that is minus a plus minus, this will become, that is under root minus 3a square and divided by 2. If we take, that is a common from here, we get this value, that is a is common, that is minus 1 plus minus, we can write it as, that is 3 iota, that is 3 under root 3 iota divided by 2. Because a square comes out of the bracket, it will become a. So similarly we know that the value of iota is equal to, that is under root minus 1. We have used this value. So now we can write it as, so we from here we get two values, that is z is equals to a, that is minus 1 plus under root 3 iota divided by 2, and the other value of z is, that is minus 1 negative of under root 3 iota divided by 2. These are the two values that we get. So now we can write this value, that is this will be equals to e power iota, sorry, this is a multiplied by e power iota 2 pi, because the complex number is positive, that is 2 pi by 3. And similarly we can write it as, that is this value is also a multiplied, so this I will write it again, that is this is also equals to, z is equals to a, z is equals to a, so we can write it as, that is this will become a e power minus iota, that is this is negative, so we can write it as, that is minus iota, that is 2 pi by 3. Now similarly this value will become, so this is the real number, so the argument of a is 0. This is real number, so the argument of a is 0. Similarly the argument of this a is also 0, and here we can say that the argument of, that is z is, that is 2 pi by 3, and in this case the argument of z is, that is minus 2 pi by 3. So from the question we can say that the real number, that is a argument is 0, but the argument of z is equals to, from here we can say that argument of z is equals to, that is from both the factor we get, that is plus minus 2 pi by 3, which is our final answer. That is option number 3 is correct. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।